Partitioning your disk allows you to divide up your hard disk to dedicate specific storage allocations to individual applications or purposes. For example, you can dedicate a partition for the files that are shared by your Apache web server so changes to other partitions won't affect it. You can even dedicate a partition for your network file shares. The possibilities are endless. Each partition is mounted, attached to a specific directory, and any files sent to that directory are thereby sent to that separate partition. The names you create for the directories where your partitions are mounted are arbitrary. It really doesn't matter what you call them. The flexible nature of storage on Linux systems allows you to be creative with your partitioning as well as your directory naming, since the Linux file system gives you more flexibility when it comes to mounting storage devices in specific folders. Admittedly, we're getting ahead of ourselves here. After all, we're only just getting started, and the point